Greetings, we are going to present our shop website for our pet care center, Molakapi Pet Care, which offers boarding and grooming services and pet product selling.
Hello, my name is Champagne, and I'll be demonstrating the login and register page. If you're a new user, you can click the register button and the form will automatically slide to the registration page where you can create a new account. Existing users can simply log in using the login form. First, I'll demonstrate the registration form. The form includes info validation to ensure that all required fields are completed correctly before registration is successful. If any required field is left empty, a pop-up message will appear saying, please fill in all fields. The username can only contain letters and numbers and cannot include the @ symbol. The email address must contain an @ symbol. And the password must be at least 6 characters long. After a successful registration, user will be directed to a confirmation page where they can click a button to return to the login page. Users have the option to log in or register using Google, Facebook, GitHub, or LinkedIn. Clicking any of these icons will open the corresponding website in a new browser tab. Now I will demonstrate the login process for this demonstration. We are using a predefined account with a username at gmail.com and the password 556876. So any other password will not be accepted. It will pop up an invalid information. You need to key in admin@gmail.com and the password 556876. Once the correct credentials are entered, a pop-up message will display login successfully, and the user will be directed to the user page. On the user page, users have a quick access to different features, making it easier to navigate the website. User can also click the logout button to securely sign out of their account. User can also check their orders in the dashboard, appointment, in the dashboard, and logout button, logout. Here's our dark mode and light mode. Dark mode and light mode for user page. Responsive design for user page. We have Nokia N9, Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, and iPad. Then goes to the login and user page for Nokia, for Samsung, and lastly for iPad.
Hi, I'm logging on. I'm going to demonstrate the main page for Molakapi Pet Care. Here's our main page where we have a fixed navigation bar on the very top of the page. The links are working fully and is available and applied across all pages. Here is our footer. This is also available across all pages and the links are working fully. And when you click on WhatsApp, it jumps to WhatsApp and this will jump to Mail too. And here's a small introduction to our team page, the links to our services. Here is a scroll to top button, which jumps to the top of the page. It only appears when you scroll to a certain point of the page. This is also applied to the product page for users' convenience. Here's a toggle slider, which is also applied to all pages of the website. And these are the 3 viewports: Pixel 7, navigation bar, Nokia N9, the navigation bar, and iPad with its navigation bar.
I will now present the About page, which you can access via the top nav bar or by clicking the About Us title in the homepage. Here is a short introductory paragraph in our team profiles. Each one brings the user to the respective member's portfolio. Beneath this is the contribution section. We use collapsible containers for better organization, and they open one at a time. This page is also compatible with multiple viewports, as you can see here. For our boarding page, you can see a brief description of the service and a rate table. Beneath that is a form for booking, where the user can enter information to reserve a boarding session. It comes with a visual calendar for easy date selection, and this form has various verification methods for different fields, such as a minimum length for the contact number and email format validity. It also ensures the user has to select a date before submitting the form. As for the grooming page, it is very similar and uses the same form. Both pages are compatible in multiple device viewports, which you can see over here.
Hi, my name is Qiao Yu. I will demonstrate the product section of Molakapi's website together with Jing En. We first navigate to main product page. At the top is the page title, and there's a hot seller banner which highlights some of our featured products. Users can view different products by using the navigation dots. Scrolling down, all products are displayed with their images, names, and prices, making it easy for users to browse the products. To help users find products quickly, we have search bar here. For example, when we search pet, Only products with matching names are displayed and the product banner is hidden to improve visibility. Additionally, users can sort the product list based on different preferences. They can sort by price from low to high, price from high to low, or alphabetically from A to Z. Other than that, users can also click the paw icon to open the category sidebar. From here, they can browse product by category, such as grooming products, making it more convenient to find the products they are looking for. Next, users can click on any product either from the product cards or the hot seller banner to view its product details. On the product details page, the product image is displayed on the left while the product information is shown on the right. This includes the product category, average rating, number of reviews, price, and product description. The shopping cart functionality will be explained by Jing En later. Below the product details is the review section. Here, users can read reviews and comments submitted by other customers. Users can also submit their own review by selecting a star rating and writing a comment. Once submitted, the review is immediately added to the review list. However, users cannot submit a review if they do not provide both a star rating and a comment. As you can see, the alert message pops up to remind the users to complete the required fields. In addition, comments are limited to 200 characters and the character counter updates automatically as users type. Now, I will show the dark mode of the product section. Finally, I will show how the product section adapts to different screen sizes. This is a Samsung S20 Ultra view. This is a Nokia N9 view. And this is the iPad view.
Now in the shopping cart page, it allows users to add items from the product page. And it will display the item, multiplies the quantity of the product. Also, users can decrease or increase the number of the product. And here we display the subtotal of the cart items. If user clicks proceed to checkout, it will pop up an alert message, and users can also remove items from the cart. Now we show the shopping cart page and its 3 viewports. This is Pixel 7, this is Nokia N9, and this is iPad. I'm logging in. This is my portfolio webpage. These are the navigations to each section of the webpage. The main space allows viewer to download my CV, which is over here. And jump to contact info. Here's my LinkedIn and GitHub. Both links are working. This is my about, skills, progress bar for skills, projects. Every links are working. This jumps to a Google Drive. This also jumps to a Google Drive. And here's my contact. This is a mail. You can directly write a mail to me or contact me via LinkedIn. This is how the print CSS looks like. This is my portfolio webpage under the 3 viewports. This is Pixel 7, navigation bar. Nokia N9, navigation bar. And iPad, navigation bar.
Hi, I'm Pei. I'll demonstrate the features of my portfolio website. First, I implemented a scroll review animation where each section smoothly appears as the user scrolls down the page, creating a more engaging experience. Hovering over the home section triggers smooth fade effect. I also included a download CV button that allows users to download my resume directly. The portfolio also supports a print view where unnecessary elements such as the navigation bar and social icons are hidden to produce a clean, printer-friendly layout. In addition, I added Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn social media links, allowing visitors to connect with me easily. This is Twitter and my LinkedIn. Some hover effects are added in my journey and my skills. For my featured projects, I have a pet website, calculator, and analog clock. Finally, I tested the website on Nokia N9. The navigation bar changes into a mobile view, which works correctly for this Nokia N9. Also tested for iPad mini, and Surface Pro 7.
Hi, I'm Karen Chin, and this is my portfolio page. It has a themed favicon for professionalism, and this is the main intro section, which has a short text about me alongside some profile photos. This button here allows you to download my single-page CV, and this one brings you to the contact section on my page. These are links that bring you to my email and LinkedIn profile. We can scroll back to the top using the navigation bar. It also brings you to other sections like this education section. As you can see, the page has smooth scrolling and transition animations. In this section, the table details my education background with links to specific certificates. Next, this section is about my skills. You can horizontally scroll to see more. Also, I edited the scroll bars to fit the theme of my page better. Here you can see my past projects. This includes my web projects like the Molokapi website, my artwork, and my writing. Clicking this brings you to my art portfolio, which has many sections of art to look through. As you can see, there is a consistent footer at the bottom of this page and the main page. We can head back to the project section from here. Then we can click this to see my writing. Here are 3 projects that I have done. Clicking them allows you to view their PDF versions. On the main page, the Ctrl+P shortcut allows users to print my web portfolio. The print style sheet ensures the navigation bar is not printed and the flexbox divisions show up properly. My website is also responsive to multiple viewports. You can see that the nav bar shrinks to fit the screen and the second profile photo collapses for easier viewing.
I'm Qiangyu and this is my portfolio website. First, this is the main section with a short biography. There's also a download CV button that allows you to download my CV. Next is the education section. Each education card includes a clickable PDF certificate. The skills section showcases my hard skills and soft skills. You can use the navigation buttons to move through each skill and view my proficiency or description. Here are some of my projects: Wordle game, student grading system, and pet care website. Also, the contact section includes a message form and links to my LinkedIn, GitHub, and Instagram. This website includes a print style sheet that formats the page specifically for printing. Now I will demonstrate the website in 3 viewports: Samsung S20 Ultra, Nokia N9, and iPad.